Hello everyone, photographer Andredesignz here with a new YouTube video, and today we have a lot to talk about. Alright, so let's start with how to better your photography. Alright, most people have been asking me on Instagram like, how do I get better at shooting photos? It's very simple, you just have to practice. Just practice. I've told a lot of people that it's okay for you to look at other photographers' work and copy it, but guess what? If you're copying it, I would not suggest that you post it. You try to do what they do, and then you create your own style from what you've seen. So it's not a smart thing to copy what you've seen and then post it on the internet, because the content will not be original coming from you. I hope this is not distracting. My lav mic just got destroyed. Yeah, so I have to use this. Alright, so practice, and once you practice, you can become better at doing photography. So that's how I become good at what I am doing right now, at the level I am right now, and I'm still working on getting better. I've never stopped editing, practicing, doing personal projects, because I know that I can do better, and I know that the sky is not the limit. You can go further than the sky. You can go to space. Yeah. So you have to practice a lot, and once you've mastered certain things, it's easier for certain things to come. And yeah, so you just have to practice. Another thing I want to talk about is using copyright music, right? I see a lot of videographers using music that is done by an artist, right? I would suggest not using it, because guess what? If you're making money from the artist's music, I believe that you should be paying them something for it, right? Because it's not fair for you to like be using people content, and they work hours to create that content, and you just take it up and just use it, and you're getting paid for whatever you're creating using that content. I don't think it's fair. I think that you should buy your music. There is Artlist, there is Epic Music, Epic Studio. I don't remember the name of that one. You can buy your music. When you're doing weddings, you use those songs. Don't ever let a client tell you that, hey, I want to have this song in there, that song in there. You have to remind them about copyright, because the content that you're using, the music that you're using is not yours, it's not theirs, and not because it's a really nice song why you think they should use it. No, that's not good. You should have it in your contract that, hey, you're gonna put a song in the video, so yeah, I'm not gonna use any copyright music. So you have to educate them actually and stuff like that, because it's very important. So promoting your business is super easy. You can use Facebook to promote your business. You can use Instagram to promote your business by doing ads. If you're not making enough money to do ads, guess what? Just go out, create a scene, a theme, a concept, and shoot. Put it on the internet, and people will just share it. So you don't have to worry about you not having the money to promote the photos that you have, or to promote your business, because you don't have the money. What you should do is to basically create something creative, or do something creative, and then post it on the internet, and I'm sure that a lot of people will see it. Continue to post your photos on Instagram and Facebook, or any social media, Twitter, Snapchat, and the more people see it, the better for you. The other thing I want to talk about is posting other photographers' work as yours, right? A lot of photographers will upload their work and they do not put any logo on it, and it's not fair for you to be taking their stuff, post it on your social media, acting like you are the one that actually created that content. That's not good. If you're posting it on your social media just for promoting that photographer or whosoever content you're using, if you're promoting them, that's totally different. But if you're gonna post it and act like it's yours, that's kind of not good. I don't think you guys should be supposed to do that. I've seen a lot of photographers post content and act like it's theirs. And when you comment under it, they either remove the comment or they don't respond. When you ask them, hey, did you shoot this? Great job. Where did you shoot this? Stuff like that. I don't think it's something that you should do. I personally share other photographers' work in my story because it's a good shoot, good concept, beautiful photo, great editing. I post that in my story and you can see the link to that person's page. I've never ever posted another photographer's work and say, hey, post it like it's mine. No, that's not me. And if you're going to be a professional photographer or you're aiming to be a professional photographer, I don't think that's a good idea for you to be doing stuff like that. Create your own work and post it. You don't want somebody asking you, hey, did you shoot that? Because guess what? Your work is not at that level yet. And if you're uploading stuff like that, people are going to think that it's yours and people are going to think that, hey, this person is not honest. So no, you shouldn't do that. I've had people take my images, upload it to their social media just to get clients. And I report the image because that's not fair. I went out to create my images. I get a makeup artist. They spend a lot of time doing the makeup, the model and everything. And then you're going to take my my work, post on your social media to get free advertisement. That's not fair. I don't think you should be doing that. If you want to build a portfolio, let me tell you, you have to shoot a lot of free projects, right? I've shot a lot of free products over the time. I've posted a lot of free photo shoots, and most of you guys can never tell that it's a free shoot because I don't say it's a free shoot, and I don't mind saying it's a free shoot either because I know that I am creating a great portfolio by being creative and shoot what I want to shoot and shoot what I want people to see. So I always do free projects because it helps me, it helps the makeup artist, and it also helps the model. So nothing is wrong with you doing shooting free work. Once it's going to benefit you, the model and the makeup artist, you should do it. Also, don't ever let anyone tell you that you should not lower your price to get a job. Let me tell you, lower your price to get a job that you know will bring you more jobs, right? Don't let somebody come to you and say, hey, I want to use you for promotion, or I want to use you so you can promote your business, so you can get bigger in your photography. If you do not have a portfolio, you have to take that. If you do have a portfolio and you're already set, you don't necessarily have to take that job. But you're not going to promote somebody's business for free unless you need it. I personally would do jobs for free right now if I do not have that portfolio, and I'm planning on doing something like that pretty soon. But if you already have a portfolio, I don't think you should do it for free, but never let anyone tell you that don't lower your price for this or that because other people is charging this. No, don't ever let anybody tell you that. If you want to charge $100 for a job and somebody is charging $150 or $200, if you're comfortable with $100, do it for $100. Don't let anybody tell you that you're lowering your price and you need to keep your price there because people will think that your job, your business is small or whatever the case may be. Don't do that. If you need the money, take the job. If you don't need the money, you don't have to take the job. Most of you guys use Photoshop and Lightroom, right? You're getting paid for jobs. I think that you should not be using the crap version of Photoshop or Lightroom. I think you should pay for the subscription every month. Why? Because you're earning money from it and it's only fair, and it's not good for you to be using the program for free. And I mean, they have to pay a lot of people to create that program, so why crack their program? I mean, I've used the crack version before, but when I was actually using it, I wasn't making any money. That's still not an okay thing to do, but it happened. But since I started making money from photography a couple years ago, I start paying for the subscription because I think that anything that you're making money from, you need to pay for it. Anyway, this is the end of the video. If you've learned anything from this video, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, share this video, and stay tuned for more videos. Remember, every Friday at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, I upload a new retouch video or a behind the scene video. So stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching and have a good one. Bye bye.
I got you, you got me. We are too lucky. I got you, you got me. We are